There are a few simple things you should do as a regular habit before and after each coffee making session. Following these will make for less effort later on. One of them is the filter basket rinse. Make sure your filter basket is cooled before rinsing it and the portafilter under hot water. This will remove any coffee oil residuals. If you notice the holes in the filter basket are blocked, dissolve a cleaning tablet in hot water and soak the filter basket and portafilter into the solution for approximately 20 minutes. Then, rinse and dry thoroughly before your next use.